channel Unlocked, where we turn big ideas into meaningful conversations. I am Aaron.
And I'm Hassan. And today, we are talking about a word that appears in every constitution and protest, every anthem and aspiration: liberty.
Hassan, honestly, liberty always sounded so formal, like something you read in history chapter or hear in Republic Day speeches.
You are not wrong. Here's the thing: liberty is not just a political term, it's deeply personal. It's in your everyday choices.
Like deciding what to wear, whom to be friend with, what to study, or even posting a reel without fear.
Exactly. In fact, I read about a woman in Iran who was arrested just for performing on Instagram. For her, something as simple as self-expression was considered rebellion.
That really makes me think. For us, liberty feels easy, but for many, it's a fight. Like Malala Yousafzai. Her liberty was just the right to go to school.
Or take the example from Karnataka. Students protested a sudden dress code policy. They weren't breaking the rules. They were peacefully questioning them. Liberty in action.
And guess what? That protest led to real dialogue and policy change. So, liberty isn't just shouting. Sometimes it's about listening too.
Yes, and don't forget, liberty always walks hand in hand with responsibility.
Totally. I mean, I can shout in a library because I am free to speak. But should I? That's where balance matters.
Exactly. Liberty without responsibility is like Wi-Fi without a password. It gets misused fast.
Good one. But jokes aside, real liberty means respecting others' freedoms as much as your own.
And we see this around us, like the girl in Kerala who used the Right to Information Act to ask why her school lacked female teachers. One bold question and it sparked real change.
So, liberty isn't always loud, is it? Sometimes it's a whisper, a question, a choice to stand up.
Exactly. Not everyone enjoys liberty equally. It still depends on gender, religion, class, or even digital access.
That's so true. Someone with fast Wi-Fi has more digital liberty than someone without a basic internet. We don't always realize our privileges.
Which brings us to this: liberty must be protected, not just possessed. It can't be taken for granted.
So maybe the real question isn't what is liberty. It's who has it, who lacks it, and what can we do about it?
Well said. Every time we choose courage over comfort, speak up against injustice, or even let someone else speak, we are building liberty.
Franklin D. Roosevelt once said, "In the truest sense, freedom cannot be bestowed. It must be achieved."
And once achieved, it must be cherished and shared.
So here's our challenge to you. Reflect on the freedoms you have and use them to amplify someone else's voice.
Liberty isn't just in laws, it's in our classrooms, streets, phones, and our hearts.
So I'm Aaron,
And I'm Hassan, signing off.
and this was Unlocked. Until next time, live aware, live kind, and live free.
Thank you.